Changing your phone number on CapCut is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information easily. Step 1. Open CapCut app. Launch the CapCut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access profile settings. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to account information. In the profile settings, look for an option labeled account information or personal info. Tap on it to view your current details. Step 4. Edit phone number. Find the section that displays your phone number. There should be an option to edit or change it. Tap on that option and enter your new phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the update, so follow any additional prompts if necessary. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number on CapCut will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section of the app for further assistance.